clock is ticking. Service and support for NCR V5 self-service checkouts are coming to an end, and we know you've been put on notice. And at a time of market uncertainty and rising costs, this is unwelcome news. It will introduce new operational risk, divert investment capital, and hold back the development of your future self-service channel strategy. You're faced with two options. Remain in the NCR ecosystem and swallow the upgrade costs, or find a new self-service checkout partner, although replacement costs would be similarly expensive. Neither choice is ideal. They offer little return on investment, and they both mean scrapping machines that function perfectly. Fujitsu offers you a third and better option. By simply upgrading to Fujitsu's USCAN self-service software, you can avoid the considerable capital investment required to replace your current NCR hardware and start to look towards the next generation of frictionless technology. With USCAN, you can continue to operate your existing NCR self-service hardware while taking advantage of our modern platform and future enhancements, all backed up by Fujitsu's comprehensive maintenance and support services. USCAN software is already relied upon by many retail businesses worldwide. So contact us to find out how we can help you increase the value of your current self-service checkout systems while keeping future ready for tomorrow's frictionless self-service technologies.